Hello, I am Lee and my channel is Lee Work at Home. Thank you for joining me today. First, I talk about jobs that are hiring on this channel. Some are urgently in need of customer service representatives to handle either phone, chat or emails. If this is something that you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel. Then, click the bell to be notified of upcoming job opportunities. If you liked this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. The Clinical Trials Network (CTNx) is hiring a remote data entry coordinator. This is a full-time position working Monday to Friday. They are paying $13 to $18 an hour, depending on experience. The data entry coordinator's primary responsibility is to provide assistance in support of clinical research studies being conducted by the Clinical Trials Network (CTNx). The data entry coordinator works collaboratively with the clinical research coordinators to accurately and timely transcribe and report research data in order to meet all protocol obligations while following ICH/GCP guidelines and company standard operating procedures. Responsibilities: remotely transcribes data collected for clinical research studies from eSource platform to sponsor EDC electronic data capture system, accurately enters and maintains research data, responds to sponsor queries in a timely manner, help build electronic source and work with study coordinators to ensure correct formatting. The above list of duties is intended to describe the general nature and level of work performed by individuals assigned to this position. It is not to be construed as an exhaustive list of duties performed by the individual so classified, nor is it intended to limit or modify the right of any supervisor to assign, direct, and control the work of employees under his/her supervision. Other information: majors, science or healthcare related, preferred 1-year experience in healthcare field, understanding of medical terminology and clinical trials preferred. Skills required: working knowledge of PCs and word processing and data management software, verbal and written communication, goal-oriented, self-directed, initiation, motivation, creativity, organizational and interpersonal, ability to actively participate as a team player. Schedule: Monday to Friday. Experience: medical terminology, 1 year preferred. Education: associate required. Work location: remote. Company's website: http://www.theclinicaltrialsnetwork.com. If this type of job opportunities appeals to you, subscribe to my channel. Next, click the bell to be notified of upcoming job opportunities. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video.